What's the scariest thing you'll encounter this Halloween? At Baylor College of Medicine, we think there's nothing more frightening than this. To prevent the spread of germs, practice what's called the vampire cough. Instead of cupping your hand to your mouth, simply cough or sneeze into your elbow. Germs can't live on fabric as they do on skin or hard objects, so any bacteria or viruses will meet a cruel and gruesome death on the sleeve of your shirt. Here to demonstrate the perfect execution of the vampire cough is my colleague, Dr. Acula. Take it away, Vlad. Of course, washing your hands frequently, using hand sanitizer, and getting your COVID and flu vaccines are also great ways to make sure you don't miss out on any tricks or treats. We want to keep each one of you healthy this Halloween.
Especially your blood.
Wait, what?